أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to www.islamicclasses.com, and my name is Hafiz Bilal. In this tutorial we are going to start another dua, the dua before eating, the prayer before eating. Okay, so I will read first. You have to repeat after me. Let us start now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahi. Bismillahi. Wa'ala. Wa'ala. Barakatillahi. Barakatillahi. And if we stop, we say Barakatillah. I just repeat again. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. Listen carefully again. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. I hope you understand this dua. So make sure to practice yourself now, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Inshallah, see you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.